In this guide, I'll show you how to refund PS5 games, DLC, subscriptions, and more from purchases in the PlayStation Store. So, the first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and go to Google, and then in search, you want to type in PS5 game refund and go to search. From here, you want to select the PlayStation.com link at the top to request a refund. So, once you're on this page, you're going to see a bunch of information describing the refund process as well as an FAQ. Long story short, when you make a purchase, you can check for your refund eligibility and request a refund if you meet certain criteria. So you want to scroll down on this page and you'll see different options here. So for games and DLC, in order to request a refund, the content has to have not been downloaded or streamed, and you can request a refund that's been made within 14 days of purchase. If you meet that criteria, you should be able to get a refund. Now, if you want to look at subscriptions and pre-orders, they have these checklists here as well. So if you meet this criteria, you can scroll down to the bottom where you'll also be able to find an FAQ. And if you scroll down to the very bottom, this is where you'll find how to request a refund on the PlayStation Store purchase. So we're going to go to contact PlayStation support. Now it's going to bring us to this page where it's going to recommend we use live chat. So we're going to click on this now. And now you'll see in the bottom right, there's an agent available. So I'm going to click on this to open up the chat window, and then it's going to ask for your first and last name. So you want to input your information and then go to start chatting, and then it's going to give you a bunch of prompts to enter. So you want to answer through these prompts, and by the end of it, you should be able to get a refund, assuming you've met the criteria. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.